Hey, welcome back, Tribe and YouTube family. In this video, we're going to talk about if you can't handle the fire, forget manifesting. And in this video, there's going to be no sugarcoating it, okay? This is going to be just a raw truth. Listen to this. If you can't handle the heat, you can forget about your dream house. If you can't handle the heat, you can forget about your dream car. If you can't handle the heat, you can forget about your dream job, your dream career. If you can't handle the heat, you can forget about being a multimillionaire. If you can't handle the heat, you can forget about living life on your terms, living life unapologetically on your terms, being able to do what you want, when you want, whenever you feel like it. Okay, you can forget about that. And in this video, what we're going to do is I'm going to share a clip with you. It's a 4-minute clip that I did for my tribe members, only here on YouTube. And the video is 35 minutes long, but I just want to share a 4-minute clip from you from that video. It's so powerful and it really goes deep and it tells you the raw truth of manifesting. It doesn't matter what you want. If you want to manifest your dream house, your dream car, if you want to manifest your dream job, if you want to manifest living life on your terms, you're trying to get out of a gunk, you're trying to figure out success, it applies to anything going on in your life. But this is the raw truth. This is the raw deal, okay? This is no fluff. This is exactly how things work. It might not be what you want to hear, but this is how you get success in manifesting to work in your life 100%. This is how to live life on your terms 100%. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to share with you this clip, and after the clip, I'll see you one more time. And if you're always running back, always running from it, always running, you get closer to the fire, the smoke gets in you breathe in the smoke. You're like, oh, I can't take it. And you run back. Okay. Then you get closer to the fire. You feel the heat. You can't take the heat. And then you run back to your comfort zone. Then you do it again. Now you get closer. Okay. You withstand the smoke. You withstand the heat. Now you get closer and you get burned. And once you get burned, it scares the shit out of you. What do? You run back to your comfort zone. Okay. But you don't quit. You come back. This time you come back. You withstand the smoke. You withstand the heat. You can feel it, but it doesn't shake you now. You kind of getting close to the fire, you're getting in it. You start getting burned on your fingers and toes. It doesn't scare you. It doesn't scare you anymore. Okay. Now you're not walking through the fire yet. Now you're immersed to it. Now all of a sudden your whole fucking body's on fire. That scares the shit out of you. And you run backwards. You run back to your comfort zone. When I was telling you my story, you're kind of like me where you have that flight, that escape response, that flight response. Is I can't take this no more. I'm bored as fuck. Okay, my whole body's on fire. I want to go back to the United States. I just want to go back right now, get on the internet and book my fucking ticket. Okay? Or I want to go back and tell Ang, well, this weekend we're going to Jump Inn and looking for a place. I'm not staying up here no more. That's me responding. That's me not responding, reacting. That's me running back to my comfort zone because my whole body is on fucking fire. Okay? But again, I don't give up. Okay? You might have a day you run back. Okay, we all do this. Okay? We all do this, but we don't throw in the towel. You don't quit. It might scare you for a day, scare you for a couple hours, but you come back to it. Okay? Now you come back a little bit more. You're ready. You're a little bit more unshakable. You got God's armor on. You know who you fucking are. Okay? God dwells inside me. Okay? So now when you walk into the fire, the smoke don't fucking bother you. The heat don't fucking bother you. You're like, come on, bring it. Okay? You get closer, it's burning your fingers and toes. It don't shake you. You step right in the middle where your whole fucking body is on fire and you're still standing there. You draw a line in the sand and you say, I am not moving. I am not budging. I am unshakable. Bottom line. And you stand there while your body's on fucking fire no matter how long it takes. No matter if it takes days, weeks, or months, you still stand in the fire until you step through it. And you will know when you step through it. Okay? I can't tell you how you'll know because that would be your own intuition. Okay, that would be that own feel, like that unique feeling I was talking about that's hard to fucking describe. Now, the walk away here is you have to understand, okay? You have to really get this. You have to understand no matter what you want, no matter what you're trying to manifest, no matter if you just want a better life, no matter if you're just going through like a gunk phase in your life, you have to understand you have to stay in the fire. You have to stay in the midst of it. And when you're standing in a fire, what you have to become good at, why this analogy of the little clip was so powerful for me, and maybe for you, is because you have to stand in it. And when you're standing in it, you become a master at ignoring the noise around you. Okay, you're ignoring what you see in your 3D world because you know what you want. You know what you stand for. And this can be anything to you. This could be developing your standards and boundaries and people pushing your standards and boundaries, and you finally have to stand up for yourself. And you're standing in that fire, you become unshakable. You become unshakable, unmovable when you say, I want my dream house. When you say, I want my dream job, my dream career. When you say you want your dream car. When you say you want to be a multimillionaire. When you say you want to be the king of your family. When you say you want to be the financial king of your family. When you say you want to take care of your entire family. And you have to realize there's going to be a fire you have to stand through, because this fire is transformation. This fire is transforming you into the person you have to be, for the person you have to become to have those things. That's what you have to understand. What we're constantly doing, we're constantly running backwards. We're constantly running backwards into our comfort zone. That's what we're doing. Anytime we smell the smoke, we run back into the comfort zone. Anytime we feel the heat, we run back. Anytime we get burned, we run back. Anytime we don't stand, we don't do it long enough. We don't just stand there where our whole body's immersed in flames. Some of us get to that point and that scares us and we run backwards and we never come back. The thing here is you got to come back. You got to get better at this. And the more you can just stand there and become unshakable, fear isn't going to conquer you. You get better and better and better at it. And you start to realize that you can live life on your terms. You can do anything you want. What you say has to happen. And you get so good at this, things start coming to you quicker and quicker and quicker because you gain more confidence. You see, in the beginning, this is ultra hard because you're so used to running back to your comfort zone. But like I said in the clip, it has to come a point in your life, you draw a line in the sand and you say, enough is enough. I'm going to figure this shit out. I'm just going to stand here. I'm not going to move. Bottom line, that's how you have to be. I'm not going to move. And eventually you figure it out. No matter what you're going through, no matter what your fire is, you're standing right in the middle and your whole goal is you're walking through the fire. You're going through it. You're not running from it. You're not running around it. You're going straight through it. That's what you have to understand. This is how this stuff works. Okay, this is what people's not explaining to you. But other than that, YouTube fam and tribe, if you have questions on this, comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this and we can kind of engage and talk about it. But other than that, remember, I love you guys. And bottom line, you want to be part of the tribe. The link is in the description. Check it out. And I'll see you inside the tribe. Other than that, remember, I love you and I'll see you in the next video.